It's so good to be here today sharing my space and knowledge with you all. We all struggle with self doubts. By making just a few simple changes, you could break free from all those doubts. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to overcome those doubts and start solving. I'm here to help you make it happen. And let's get into today's topic, which is on homogeneous differential equations from differential equations of first order and first degree. And here is the most important question flashing on the screen. So that is dy by dx is equal to, this is y cube plus 3x square y by x cube plus 3xy square. So by watching the question, see, you can notice that there are variables equally distributed. So there are three variables here, three variables here, three down and three down. So the variables are equally distributed with degree 3. So we say that it is a homogeneous differential equation. So here, usually in the homogeneous differential equation, we take a substitution that y is equal to v into x. So here if I make a derivative, so dy by dx value is equal to, for x it is 1, so v into 1. If I leave x, for v it is dv by dx. So here is the substitution. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So if I substitute the value of 2 in equation 1, substitute the value of 2 in equation 1, see what happens here. So in place of dy by dx, see here there is dy by dx here. In place of dy by dx, I am writing v plus x into dv by dx. So that is v plus, this is x into, this is dv by dx, which is equal to, what is y here? So y is equal to, this is vx whole cube plus 3x square. So in place of y, I am writing this is v into x divided by, so this value is x cube plus 3x into, what is y here? Y is nothing but this is vx whole square. And see, this will be v plus, so this will be v plus x into dv by dx value is equal to, this is v cube into x cube, this is 3v into x cube divided by, so this value is x cube into, this is 3v square, x square into x is nothing but x cube. So if you notice this properly, so x cube is going to take common and get cancelled. See here, this will be v plus. So this will be v plus x into dv by dx value is equal to, if I take x cube common, this will be v cube plus 3v divided by, so if I take x cube common, then this will be 1 plus 3v square. Clear? So if I cancel this one, if I send this plus v to other side, so this will be x into, this is dv by dx value is equal to, this is v cube plus 3v by, this is 1 plus 3v square, this is minus v. Now if I take LCM, see here, if I take LCM as 1 plus 3v square, so this will be v cube plus 3v. So if I multiply with v, this is minus and this value is minus 3v cube. So this is x into, this value is dv by dx. So here if you see, 3v minus v is 2v and this is plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2v cube by, this is 1 plus, this is 3v square. So this value is 3v square. So here in this, what I am going to do is x into, this is dv by dx value. If I take 2v common, so if I take 2v common from the numerator, this will be 1 minus v square by, this is 1 plus, this value is 3v square. So now what I am going to do is variables and separables method. So I am sending v to one side and x to one side. So here there is dv here. I am sending each and every v term to that side. It will become, that is 1 plus 3v square into dv divided by. So this value is v into 1 minus v square, which is equal to 2 times of, this is dx by x. Now here the variables got separated and therefore I am going to integrate on both sides. So integration on both sides. So this will be, see, so this is going to become 1 plus, this value is 3v square into dv. So this is v, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is nothing but, so this is a plus b into a minus b. So this is again integration, which is equal to 2 times of, this is dx by x. Now I am going to separate this using partial fractions. So here this is the case that 1 plus 3v square by this is v into this is 1 plus v into 1 minus v can be split into this is a by v plus this is b by 1 plus v plus a c by this is 1 minus v. And therefore if I solve this, then this will become this is 1 plus 3v square. So this is 1 plus 3v square into this is v into 1 plus v into this is 1 minus v. If I take LCM, that is v into this is 1 plus v into this is 1 minus v. So this will be a times of this one, that is 1 plus v into this is 1 minus v plus b into, so there is 1 plus v here. So what is left over? V into 1 minus v is left over c. So there is 1 minus v here. So these two I have to multiply. This is v into this value is 1 plus v. So if I cancel all these three, see here, this will be the equation, that is 1 plus this value is 3v square. So which is equal to a times of this is 1 plus v into 1 minus v plus b times of v into this is 1 minus v plus c times of v into this is 1 plus v. So if I substitute for all the values of a, b and c, if I put v is equal to 1. So if I keep v is equal to 1, see what happens. So this will become 1. If I keep v is equal to 1, this will become 0 and this will become 0. Only c remains here. So if I keep v is equal to 1, this is 1 plus 3 value is equal to c into, if I keep 1 here, that is 1 into this is 1 plus 1. So this is 4 into 2c, and c value is going to become 4 by 2 and c is going to become 2. So we got the value of c as 2. And next one, in the same equation, if I keep v is equal to minus 1. So here this will become 0 and this will become 0 and only b value remains. So here if I keep v is equal to minus 1, see what happens. So here this will become 1 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square value. So this is going to become 0. This is, in place of v I am writing minus 1. In place of v, this is minus of minus plus 1. So here this is 1 plus 3 value is equal to this is minus 2b. 4 is equal to minus 2b and b is equal to minus 4 by 2 and b value is equal to minus 2. So again we got the b value as minus 2, and now I have to find a substitution for finding this one for a value. For a value, so here in the v, if I keep 0 here, so put v is equal to 0 in order to get a value. So if I keep v is equal to 0 here, then this will become 1 plus 0. This is 1 plus 0 is equal to a times of, if I keep v is equal to 0, this is 1 plus 0 and this is 1 minus 0, and so 1 is equal to a. So I got the value of a as 1. So I got the value of a as 1. So after getting a value, b value and c value, here I am going to substitute a, b, c. So I got a value as 1. So I got a value as 1. So this b value, see here, b value as minus 2 and c as plus 2. This b as 2 and c as plus 2. Now see here, I'm going back to the question here. So this is the question. So in place of this, I'm going to write as integral. See here, integral, this is a by v plus b by 1 plus v plus c by 1 minus v into dv. Value is equal to 2 times of this is dx by x. So in place of a, I am writing 1 by v. In place of v, this is minus 2 by 1 plus v. In place of c as 2 by 1 minus v into this value is dv, which is equal to 2 times of dx by x. Now I am going to integrate each and every term here. This is 1 by v dv. This is minus 2 times of this is dv by 1 plus v, and this is 2 times of this is dv by 1 minus v, which is equal to 2 times of integral dx by x. So 1 by v is nothing but log v. Clear? So this is 2 times of the derivative of this 1 is 0, for v is dv. So this can be written as log of 1 plus v. And this can be written as log of 1 minus v, and there is minus 1 down. So this is 2 times of log x plus this value is log c. Clear? And see here how I am writing. This value is log v minus, so if I send it to the power, so this will be 1 plus v whole square, and see here, this is minus, and this is 1 minus v whole square, and this is log x square plus this value is log c. Clear? So from these two I'm taking minus common. This is log v minus, so this is going to become log 1 plus v whole square plus this value is log 1 minus v whole square, which is equal to, so if I multiply, this value will be x square c. And see, this is log a minus log b, so this can be written as log a by, so this value can be written as, so this value is log a by, so it is log a plus log b is nothing but log a into b. So this value can be written as 1 plus v whole square into 1 minus v whole square. So here I can write, put another step here like this. Log of a plus log b can be written as log a into this value is b whole square, which is equal to log x square c. So log a minus log b can be written as log a by b, which is equal to log x square c. So if I cancel log on both sides, what happens? This is v by, this is 1 plus v whole square into 1 minus v whole square, which is equal to x square c. As we made a substitution that y is equal to, so sorry, v is equal to, so in place of y as vx, so in place of y as vx I have substituted, and therefore in place of v I am going to write as this one, y by x. So I am shifting each and every v to y by x. So this will be y by x, and this is going to become, this is 1 plus this is y by x whole square, and this is 1 minus y by x whole square, which is equal to x square c. Clear? So this is y by x, and see this value, this is x square, this is x plus y whole square, and here down this is x square, this is x minus y whole square, which is equal to x square c. And see, the next step will be, so this is going to become y by x into, so if I make it a reverse for multiplication, x square by, this value is x plus y whole square, and this is x square by x minus y whole square, which is equal to x square c. X square c. And now see here, which one I can cancel? So these two I can cancel, and then I can cancel 1y, and this is y x by, so this is going to become x plus y into x minus y whole square, which is equal to c. So this value is xy by, a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square whole square is equal to c. And therefore xy value is equal to c times of x square minus y square whole square. And this is a final solution for the given homogeneous differential equation after substituting y is equal to. So this is the solution. For the given homogeneous differential equation, as it is so simple, so one after the other the steps are so simple. So here is the substitution, put y is equal to vx, and obviously dy by dx value is this one, so I replaced 2 in 1, and after substituting I have taken x cube common and have cancelled, and I have sent this plus v to the other side, and therefore, and after variables and separables method, so after separating the variables v to one side and x to one side, integrating on both sides, and here is the partial differentiation. I have applied a, b, c, and I have calculated a value as 1, b value as minus 2, and c value as plus 2, and after substituting all the three values here, see here a, b, c values are kept, a as 1, b as minus 2, and c as plus 2, and after integrating, so here is the formula here, and this one is I have taken minus common, log a plus log b is log a into b, and this is log a minus log b is log a by b, and see here after cancelling the log on both sides and substituting v as y by x, and we got a final answer as this, xy is equal to c into x square minus y square whole square. Thank you so much for watching. If you understand this video, please practice, and definitely you can solve by your own. And meantime, please share it with your friends, those who need it and whom you like the most. And thank you so much, and go to the playlist, and so many videos are uploaded for your preparation, and it will be very, very easy if you watch and practice. Thank you so much.